Hey guys, got kind of a rant this evening. Um, you guys get that ceramic coating from the car wash when you take your vehicles through there, or graphene, sometimes they call it. Uh, I've had an awful time with that stuff. I mistakenly had it put on my truck again a few days ago, and then when I went to use my wipers, it smeared. I almost wrecked my truck because it's awful. I don't know what the deal is with it or why they use it, or maybe I'm just having bad luck. I don't leave in the comments if you had any kind of experience with it yourself, but my biggest complaint about it is it's ruined my wiper blades. I've got wiper blades that are less than 2 months old, and they're destroyed already because of this ceramic coating. So we're gonna change the wiper blades on my truck again, and I'm gonna do my best to avoid it. This time around, I've got these Michelin Endurance XT silicone wipers. Never had these before. I usually get the Rant brand wipers. But either way, I'm spending anywhere from $35 to $50 on a set of wipers, and I just don't understand why car wash is destroying them. So we'll go ahead and pop this off of here. I might need to use the other hand here. There we go. As you can see on my hands, that's what this ceramic coating is doing to my wiper blades. I spent 10 minutes trying to clean these things just to see if I could revive them, and they still are smeared up my windshield. Something awful. I had to use rubbing alcohol and actually strip my windshield back down so that I could get it clean, and hope I didn't need my wipers today till I got home. Here's the new Michelin wipers, and this is something else I don't think I've ever seen before, is these little blade protectors on the end of the wiper. Obviously you remove those before you use them, but I guess they just protect them in shipping, but I don't think I've ever seen these before either. Easy enough to take them off there. Pretty simple wiper change on a 2021 Silverado. Hopefully these last longer than last time, and I'm going to guess if I don't put this carbon or ceramic stuff on my wipers, they probably will. I don't know. Hopefully I'll have better luck. Again, leave in the comments if you've had any experience with these ceramic coatings in the car washes, whether you use them. If you have good luck with it, maybe share your tips in the comments so we can all learn from this. This is Fixin Stuff, so maybe we can fix all this together. Thanks again for watching.